intermediate value property of derivatives, right? We have to know for derivatives what is the intermediate value property. We know the intermediate value property for the continuous functions, but we don't know for the derivatives. So now we introduce it. Let I is contained in R be an interval. Let f is such that I to R. Let C is in I. Assume that the function has derivative at C. Then f dash, if f dash is greater than to 0, then there exists delta is such that fx is greater than to fc for x is in I and x is in between C to x plus delta, right? It is in positive attitude. Now if f dash c is less than to 0, then there is a number delta which is greater than to 0. Fx is greater than to fc for c x is in between C minus delta to C. That means that x is in between C minus delta to C, and this one is x is in between C to x plus delta, right? And there is also C plus delta, right? Now proof of this is that fx minus fc which is equals to f dash c which is greater than to 0. Since we have delta is greater than to 0, so mod of x minus c is less than to delta. This gives that fx minus fc upon x minus c is greater than to 0, right? If x is in I and x is greater than to c, fx minus fc is equals to x minus c upon fx minus fc. X minus c, this one is greater than to 0, so this one is also greater than to 0. This implies that fx minus fc, fx is greater than to fc.